Scuffs, scratches, dents and stone chips are some of the inevitable consequences of using your car regularly. They can spoil the appearance and significantly reduce the value of your car. Don't let this get you down. We can take away this worry and hassle with a cosmetic maintenance plan. Our approved maintenance agents provide regular attention to your vehicle through our maintenance inspections and will carry out treatments using modern smart treatment techniques, therefore preserving the appearance of your vehicle. Organising an inspection and treatments is easy. There are no lengthy claim forms to fill out. All it takes is one simple call to one of our advisors and they will handle the rest. All of our technicians are trained to the highest standard and utilise the latest vehicle smart treatment methods. We provide quarterly inspections and an unlimited number of treatments for up to £3,000 in value for the term of the plan, and all treatments are guaranteed for the lifetime of the vehicle. Payment will be made directly to the maintenance agent, meaning no cost is incurred by you. Ask about a RAB Cosmetic maintenance plan today.